Our next guest made his triumphant mark in the food world as the runner-up on the Food Network Star and the only person to ever win cooking competition show Cutthroat Kitchen twice. And today he's here to share how you can still eat Southern comfort dishes without giving up the flavors you know and love, especially Dr. Nita, right?
Yes, you know I'm excited about this, Dr.
You've been
Gordon.
excited about this segment all day.
I'm excited.
Well, here it comes. So joining us today is chef and author of cookbook Southern Modified, Jenard Wells. Welcome, Jenard.
Welcome.
Thank you. This is truly a pleasure and an honor to be joining you guys.
Jenard, you brought with you today a classic Southern dish with a healthy spin on it. But before we get into that, we understand you recently lost some weight yourself.
Yes, I've lost 63 pounds and still going, and I tell you, I feel so good. It's almost invigorating when you start shedding the pounds, and most importantly, just doing it for yourself.
So tell them your secret. How did you lose the weight?
I cut one of my ultimate guilty pleasures out of my diet, which was fried food. Me being a Southern born from the South, I really love just fried foods, fried chickens, fried Brussels sprouts, fried diet laid to the side. You name it. I love those things as well as sweets. So I really just challenged myself to start creating healthy Southern modified dishes where I can get that same flavor, that same experience, except with less fat.
Let's talk about Southern Modified. What is that all about?
Southern Modified is a cookbook that myself and co-author Denise Boutte wrote. Denise is from Louisiana, and I'm from Mississippi. And we know one of the things, Mississippi had a high rate of obesity. So we came together and said, let's take these staple dishes that we love, we grew up eating, and modify them for today's healthier lifestyle.
We're living in uncertain times. It's tough to keep up with the latest medical headlines.
About the market, panicked about COVID.
And how do those headlines impact you and your family?
100,000 people died.
On season 13 of The Doctors, we want to empower you physically.
If I met them at dance, they would meet me at medicine.
Man, I love that. Emotionally.
If I can change my thoughts, I can change my feelings.
And medically.
He doesn't have his mask up, which is not a good thing.
This is the $1 million question, maybe the $1 trillion question. This is so critical for people to hear. We're giving you the inside track on health and wellness so that you can get back to the life you deserve. It's time to take back your power. The Doctors, now more than ever. Premieres September 21st.